Okay, next up, we want to find all solutions of the equation in the interval 0 to 2 pi. And so we have 2. So 2 cos squared 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's isolate that cos squared. So 2 cos squared 2x is equal to 1. Divide out the 2. Cos squared 2x is equal to 1 over 2. And then we're going to find the square roots. So we can get cos 2x is equal to root 1 over 2. This is 1 over root 2. And if you just radicalize it, it becomes root 2 over 2. And this is actually a special angle that we can find using our special triangles. Let's go ahead and draw those out. Okay, and so for our special triangles, we have pi over 4. Just one moment. Sorry, this is supposed to be pi over 6 and pi over 3. And then this is pi over 3. And this will give you root 3 over 2h, 1 over 2h, h, this is k, root 2k. So using SOHCAHTOA, let's go ahead and evaluate all of our cosangles to find out which one would give us root 2 over 2. So cos theta is adjacent over my hypotenuse. And so let's just begin with pi over 6. So cos pi over 6 is going to be my adjacent, so root 3 over 2h over my hypotenuse, so h. This is just root 3 over 2. Cos pi over 3 is going to be my adjacent. So this is my opposite because it's directly opposite, and adjacent is the other one, so right next to it. 1 over 2h over h, which is 1 over 2. So it's not pi over 6 or pi over 3. Let's check out pi over 4. And that is going to be adjacent, so k over root 2k. And this will give me 1 over root 2, which again, we're just going to radicalize really quickly to give me root 2 over 2. And so this would mean that my 2x must be pi over 4. So cos 2x is equal to root 2 over 2, which is equal to, but there's a slight change here. This is positive or negative square root over 2. Square root 1 over 2. So this is going to be positive or negative square root 2 over 2. Okay, so I have root 2 over 2 is equal to cos pi over 4. And then I just need to double check my negative cosine identities. Okay, and we have that cos pi minus theta will give me negative cos theta. And so what that means is that cos pi minus my pi over 4 would give me negative cos pi over 4, which is negative root 2 over 2. And so pi minus pi over 4, excuse me, is going to give us cos 3 pi over 4. And this is going to give us negative root 2 over 2. Cos pi over 4 is what's going to give me root 2 over 2. And so, using those two, this would mean that 2x is equal to 3 pi over 4, or 2x is equal to pi over 4. This would give us x is equal to 3 pi over 8, and x is equal to pi over 8. But please note that cos has symmetry in its behavior around any odd-powered n. And so x can be n pi over 8 as long as n is odd. And so n is equal to 1, 3, 5, so on and so forth. And that's going to be it for this question.